Today we are turning this watermelon into some vegan watermelon tuna, you guys. I've never had this before, but I found a couple recipes and it's a watermelon season, so I was excited to try. Let's go ahead and make it today. I know it sounds crazy, but we're doing it, okay? I've never made this before. I'm excited to try this out. I love watermelon and I can see how this works based on the recipes that I have seen. So let me go ahead and get the inspiration out the way. Tiffany Bach, Bach on TikTok. She has a video. I don't know if you guys can see it from here. I've seen it plenty of times before elsewhere, but this is just the main video that I took these ingredients from. My watermelon is already in cubes. I do have seeded watermelon, and yes, I don't care about the seeds. I'm going to throw the seeds in the oven as well. I think I would prefer to marinate it very simple with, like, you know, soy sauce and sesame oil, and this these are dulce flakes, dulce granules. It's gonna help give it like a little fishy flavor. So I think I'm going to use these to marinate, and then I will use these to make a sauce. And I do have my oven preheating. I believe it's preheating to like 375 or something like that. Okay, that seems like a decent amount. Let me save these because I might need to just eat these if this comes out horrible. Give me a little juice for today. A little watermelon juice. Okay, I saw some people put salt on it to help bring out some more moisture, so let's do that. Okay, now while that is sitting and our oven is preheating, let's put that to the side and then make our little sauce here. I'm fairly new to the tahini game. This is the one I have. This is pepperwood organic whole seed sesame tahini. Definitely thought it was going to be like more, it's real runny, which is cool. Ooh, making a mess. About 2 tablespoons. I was going to say real peanut buttery. It's the tahini. We're just going to put this to the side until after. Now, I don't know how long it's been. Ain't shit come out. Like the water, there's barely anything to pour. I'm not even going to pour it out. Guys, I actually eat my watermelon with salt on it sometimes. Just like this, I will sprinkle some salt on it. My family's from the South, so that's how we get down. I was about to taste me some. She's already on her way to being a star. Okay. So a little soy sauce. Tiny dash of sesame oil. And then we're going to do the dulce granules. I actually have faith in this, you guys. You're going to get a baking sheet. And I'm going to line it with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Now let's just lay down our watermelon chunks. Make sure I spread them out nice so they have room to do whatever they need to do. All right, let's put this in the oven. It's on 375. We'll put it in there for 30 to 45 minutes and see. We'll be back. Don't you think I'm so sexy? I'm just so visual clean. Do, 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 do. Okay, so what we learned. If you are going to dice the watermelon up into small pieces, 30 minutes is way too long. We have a mess, but I think we still have some usable stuff, so we're good. Let's see what we can salvage here. I don't want this experience to be ruined by the burnt stuff. The texture is definitely different. It's pretty cool. It does look like tuna though. All right, so since we have a microscopic amount, let me move y'all closer. This is a little ass bit we have, but as you can see, it doesn't really look like watermelon anymore, so that's good. Let's add a tiny bit of sauce. It looks good. I'm gonna make us a quick little sushi bowl. So we have delicious carrot, ribbon, and cucumber salad. I made 3 different versions yesterday and I just ended up mixing them all together, but I think this is going to be fire. And then we just have some cooked sticky white rice. I guess I can just go ahead and let me add some sugar and vinegar and stuff and salt to this real quick. So we're going to make like a little bootleg sushi rice vinegar. Just a little dash. Some pink Himalayan salt. And then let's do some sugar. Cane sugar. We got some Korean barbecue seaweed snacks. I'm just going to throw in here for a little extra, you know, sea flavor, of course. Let's do this last, actually. Yes. All right, you guys, it's time to take a nice taste. So let's see. We're going to try the watermelon tuna by itself first. That's actually really good. It's still a bit sweet. That's actually really good. Oh, yeah. That's a nice combo. I think this is definitely something I would try again. I have so much watermelon. I would make this again and probably try my best to make it a little less sweet, but it's still not bad. It's not overbearing. So we made it again, and it came out a lot better this time. It didn't get all burnt up. This watermelon tuna. Let me show y'all what I ended up making. A little sushi. On the inside, it has avocado, red cabbage, cucumber. Oh, the red bell pepper. The watermelon tuna on top, and I made a little sriracha mayo. This shit is banging. Thank you guys for joining me on this episode of Cold and Delicious. I will see you for the next video.